Commuting to work on a Capital Metro bus could be getting a lot quicker. At an agency board meeting this morning, there was big talk about a bus line called Metro Rapid. It uses GPS technology to turn stoplights green, all designed to get you where you need to go faster. KXAN's Jacqueline Inglese has this story.
If you're one of the thousands that depend on public transportation to get to and from your destinations each day, your commute could be getting quicker. Capital Metro received a $38 million grant from the Federal Transit Administration to implement Metro Rapid.
The Metro Rapid project will have fewer bus stops, which means faster service.
The federal grant money will help get the first two routes running up and down Lamar, Congress, and Burnett Road. Capital Metro is pitching in another $9 million to make it happen, and newly designed buses will also be rolling out on these routes.
The vehicles are very sleek, low floor, articulated or 60-foot buses.
Aside from looking like a rail line, the buses will come equipped with GPS technology that'll have the ability to change traffic lights so buses can move through the intersection faster.
The signals will change to let the buses through traffic faster, so it should be better, higher quality service.
Riders can expect to board these buses sometime in 2012. The FTA is sending a team to Austin next week to make sure that everything is good to go. In Austin, Jacqueline Inglese, KXAN, Austin News.